Model, 70-plate Mercedes GLC AMG line GLC 220D 4MATIC engine noisy needs repairing bargain. Body, black, hatchback. Mileage, 78,040. Engine, 1950 cc OM 654 D20 SCRRDE2. Transmission, 4-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are knocking. This will even need the engine repairing or replacing. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is extremely clean and tidy. Rear seating area is extremely clean and tidy, immaculate, well looked after, pride and joy. First to see will definitely buy. Features, 2 former keepers, air con, parking sensors, electric windows, 2 keys, cruise control. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £22,750. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 074